The great Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, "Associate with those who will make a better person of you. Welcome those whom you yourself can improve. People learn while they teach." With this timeless wisdom in mind, we embark on a journey to celebrate and appreciate those individuals whose lives embody Stoic values, guiding and uplifting us. Stoicism offers a path to resilience, wisdom, and a more fulfilling life. In this exploration, we will dive into the 7 types of people who personify these Stoic virtues, inspiring us to internalize these principles and enhance our own well-being. The reflective thinker. Stoicism is not merely an academic exercise. It is a philosophy meant to be lived. The reflective thinker is the embodiment of this principle. These individuals go beyond reading and discussing philosophy. They actively engage in introspection. They question, analyze, and dive deep into their thoughts and actions. By cultivating a habit of introspection, they follow in the footsteps of Stoic giants like Marcus Aurelius, who practiced journaling to gain clarity and understand their biases. The reflective thinker doesn't stop at introspection. They actively seek knowledge, constantly learning and growing. They remind us of the power in truly understanding oneself and inspire those around them. The resilient endorsers. Resilient endorsers are individuals who transform life's challenges into opportunities for personal growth. They view hurdles as lessons to be cherished, whether they manifest as career crossroads, personal setbacks, or health issues. Their spirit of resilience extends to their work and personal lives, choosing introspection and adaptability over bitterness in the face of conflicts or misunderstandings. These individuals embody the Stoic ethos of resilience, inspiring perpetual growth even when the path seems steep and winding. The honest advisor. Honest advisors are characterized by their fearless truth-telling. They provide valuable feedback and insights with empathy and genuine intent, elevating and refining perspectives rather than belittling. In a world often filled with artifice and superficial praise, the honest advisor stands as a beacon of authenticity. Their wisdom is wrapped in kindness, reflecting a sincere desire for personal and collective progress. Type of people: the contented minimalist. Contented minimalists understand that true fulfillment arises from simplicity and intentional living, not from material accumulation. They value experiences and possessions that align with their purpose and find joy in gratitude and purposeful existence. These individuals teach us that genuine contentment stems from introspection and a heart filled with gratitude. The empathetic helper. Empathetic helpers connect deeply with others' emotions and offer aid and comfort that transcends words. They engage in simple, empathetic gestures that have a ripple effect, reminding us of the profound impact of kindness and genuine connection. In a world that often feels disconnected, the empathetic helper serves as a testament to the power of compassion. The disciplined learner. Disciplined learners possess an unwavering commitment to knowledge and an insatiable appetite for learning. They understand that true proficiency comes from sustained effort, not momentary zeal. These individuals advocate for the value of continuous dedication, inspiring those around them to embark on a lifelong journey of learning and self-improvement. The present moment lover. Present moment lovers have the remarkable ability to fully inhabit the here and now. They emphasize the quality of connection over the quantity of time spent. In doing so, they remind us to embrace life's fleeting moments and find joy in the unfolding present rather than constantly dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. As we reflect on these Stoic virtues, we are challenged to incorporate them into our own lives, becoming guiding figures for others. By embodying the principles of Stoicism, we can spread positivity and wisdom within our communities, fostering a world where resilience, wisdom, and fulfillment are not just aspirations, but the reality of everyday life. In the footsteps of Stoic philosophers, let us strive to be better versions of ourselves and, in turn, inspire those around us to do the same.